Come on, Troy. Come on, you got it, buddy. Come on. You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on, Troy. Let's get him some exercise. Let's bring him all the way down the hall. Come on, buddy. Come on. You got it. Let's just bring you. Let's get some exercise. Come on. Gotta keep you. Don't run into the wall. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on, Troy. Oh, come on. We're halfway there, buddy. We're halfway there. We got this. I'll be nice enough to carry you back when we're done. No, don't run into the wall. You're gonna be mean. Here, come on. Come on. Chelsea, we should do this like a daily routine. Bring him out here and get him some exercise. No, don't run into the wall. Look, there's nothing in there. Come on. Come on, Troy. We're halfway there, buddy. Come on, we're halfway there. Be a champion. Come on, Troy. 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 You got it. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, you did a front flip. It's okay, buddy. Don't be scared. Come on. Come on. You're so close. I'll carry you back too. So, come on.
He's trying to keep up with you.
Yeah, come on. He's getting so tired. He's like, come on, just a little bit more. Come on, buddy. Come on, you got it. Come on, you got it. You're a speed demon. Come on, Evel Knievel. I like that name. Come on, Evel Knievel. Come on. Come on, Evel Knievel. Come on, buddy. You got it. You're so close. You're so close. Don't run into the wall. Oh, a safety, buddy. Come on. Come on, you're so close, buddy. You're so close. He's going so fast. Come on. Come on, buddy. You're so close.
Nope. Okay. You want to turn back?
No. He's got to make it. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on, Troy. You're so close. You have no idea.
His small little legs are so cute.
Come on, buddy. The final steps. Go. Come on. Just come on, right